Good morning guys, and welcome back to another vlog. You would have seen the most recent vlog was LA, and that was so much fun. We only had one day in LA, and I would have liked to probably have had a bit longer, but we did everything we kind of needed to do in one day. But I know that I'll be back again in the future, hopefully. So today we are on our way to the Grand Canyon. I hope you can hear me, sorry, it was really windy there. So we have just stopped off at this kind of like mall place, and then that's the kind of canyon area, and we're coming into territories where there's just desert. It's just desert, there's nothing there. So we're going to be doing the Death Valley today, which I've never heard of, but I'm pretty sure it's just a place you don't want to break down in. So we've stocked up on water and food just in case, you know, touch wood, just in case. So we're going to do a bit of shopping because there's actually some really good shops here, like Ralph Lauren, Calvin Klein, Tommy Hilfiger, Bath and Body Works. Defo need to go, because that's like America's version of Lush, I think. So yeah, that'll be good fun. Then we'll be going to the Grand Canyon tonight, just getting dinner in. But yeah, that'll be good. So stay tuned when we're in the store. First stop, Tommy Hilfiger. I want to see how this place is different to the one in the UK, but at the moment it still looks pretty similar. So guys, we got something in Tommy Hilfiger because it was literally like 30–70% off. I got this t-shirt that was 70% off, which ended up being $11. Like, so good. We are now back on the road, starting our 3-hour journey or 4-hour journey to the Grand Canyon. It is pure desert here. It's pretty cool, pretty hot, pretty scary. But yeah, it's good fun. So guys, Cameron bought these Flamin' Hot Lemon, I think that's lemon flavoured Doritos, and they look so hot. So I'm gonna try one now. I mean, it looks pretty hot to me.
You got the water ready, Chloe? Go on, down in one.
Very, very strong lemon.
Put it all in. Bit of cool sour cream maybe?
Yeah, it'd be nice to sour cream. That is hot. The rest. Straight to the water. With a view of the mountains. Oh my gosh, that is hot. So we've just stopped for a little toilet break. And already you can just tell the heat is bouncing up. It's going to be about 30 degrees in Las Vegas, so it's getting hot. There's the moon, guys.
That'll be a good night for stargazing.
You can actually see some stars.
It's
We've made it to the Grand Canyon, and it's a little bit windy, so I don't know if we'll do a fire tonight. There's all the cacti. But yeah, this is pretty incredible. Look at the stars. I mean, I could sit out here all night and just stargaze. That's probably a planet. But yeah, pretty incredible. You can literally see the silhouette of cacti over there. Huh? It's just crazy. I'm so blessed to be out here. I hope you guys know that I am grateful for everything I get. So it's the next day now and we are on our way to the Grand Canyon, but we've just stopped at this amazing view. I mean, it is incredible. So dramatic with the hills and the cacti and the Joshua tree. That's called a Joshua tree. Yeah, I mean, it just looks incredible. Also get a helicopter ride right over the Grand Canyon, which is what these people have done. It says helicopters everywhere.
Flying on your private jet.
It's so low. Oh my gosh.
How many miles, Cameron? 1.6.
We're almost there, guys. There's some cool looking mountains. Oh, there it is.
Oh, really?
I think it's landing.
Canyon to the right.
Nice.
Yeah. Oh, there's the sky.
We have made it to the Grand Canyon.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take too many videos because I don't want to accidentally fall off the cliff. So there we go, people. Grand Canyon. Even the bird isn't going over. It's huge. And there's canyons. There's about, it goes along all these canyons. It's crazy. There's the Eagle's Peak right there. Honestly, it feels so scary to be so close. This is way too high for me, and there is no barrier on this one, so we have all walked away from Stuart because we cannot watch him get ridiculously close. There is the Colorado River going in between all the canyons. I mean, I hope you can tell how high we are on my camera because like the land here goes so steep, so narrow that like you turn to this side and it's just a canyon, and you turn to this side and it's a canyon. Pretty scary. We've just finished at the Grand Canyon, which was so fun, and now snacking on a couple of Chips Ahoy cookies. These are so good. I recognise Chips Ahoy. I think it's quite a big brand in America, but yeah, so good. Really see how big the dam is right here, and there is the bridge we just crossed. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video in a couple days time.